Hello students. So children, today we will start the revision of chapter number 3 for your term first exam, and that will be business environment. So let's start with the content which we are going to cover in today revision. So we'll start it with meaning of business environment, features, its importance, the dimension of business environment and the economic environment in India. The rest of the topic or content like demonetization, its feature and the impact of government policy has been removed from your syllabus by CBSE. So we will not cover that in the revision, and these questions will also not come for your terms exam. Now children, let's start with meaning of business environment. So student, business environment basically is the sum total of all individuals, institutions and other forces that are outside the control of business enterprises but that may affect its performance. So the important thing is here is that all those forces which cannot be controlled by business enterprises but they affect the performance of business is called as business environment. Now what are these different forces? Now these different forces can be the total of all the individuals of country, institutions and the organizations and other thing also. They basically affect the business performance but the business enterprise cannot able to control them because they are outside the control of business. Now the features of business environment. First is dynamic nature. So business environment has a feature of dynamic nature because according to the changes in technology, according to the changes in other sources or other forces of environment, the business environment has to change. Now the second feature say interrelatedness. Interrelatedness features of business environment say that there are lots of element or part of business environment which are related with each other. For example, we can take that if in the society the people will be more aware about their health. So in that case what will happen? In case of this more awareness about the health, they will have more demand about the health product. So two things are related here. The awareness of the society which is affecting the business where the producer has to produce a product which are healthy product. So that is the reason we said that business environment has interrelatedness feature. Now next feature said specific and general forces. Now business environment is affected by specific forces also and general forces also. Now what are the specific forces and what are the general forces? So children, business environment include two types of forces, the specific also and general also. Now when we talk about the specific forces, we have the example of like investors. You know, investor, those who invest money to start a business or to expand your business. The customer for whom you are producing the product, your competitors in the market, your suppliers. So what is that? These all are affecting you or affecting the enterprises directly and immediately to your day-to-day working. So all these factors will be called as specific forces. Now just opposite of this is general forces. It means general forces are all those forces which will have impact on the business enterprises or individual firm but not directly but indirectly, like technological factors, social factors, political factor, legal factor. So these all are what? These all are general factor, general forces which affect the business enterprise but indirectly. Now the next feature say that is totality of external forces. Now business in this features of business environment, it say that business environment is the sum total of all those things external to business firm and such is aggregative in nature. It means totality of external forces means business environment contain all those things or all those external factors or sources which affect the business or its nature. Now the next feature say U, that is uncertainty. So children, uncertainty features of business say that business environment is uncertain. Why business environment is uncertain? Because even the business is also uncertain. Business environment is largely uncertain as it's very difficult for a owner also and other also to predicate that what is going to happen in the future. Why? Because environment keep changing time to time, and because of this frequently changes in the environment, there is always a degree of uncertainty. We are not able to predict what is going to happen in the future. Now the next feature of business environment is relativity. Now relativity features say, children, that business environment is a relative concept. How relative concept? It is related to situation, it is related to one to another. Now when we compare it relatedness with the countries, it's always different from country to country and even region to region also, but in a one particular areas it is related. Like we can say that demand for sari may be fairly high in India, whereas it may be almost non-existent in France or in America. This I am giving the example of your book only, that relativity basically say that about one region or about one place, that the business environment has a feature of relativity, but according to the country and according to the region, even the relativity also change and it's differ from one to another area. Like when we talk about any product, it might be that that product have a demand in one particular area, but when the area get changed, the demand for that product get also changed. Like sari, if we talk about relativity concept of sari, so it's completely different. Like the demand of sari is more in India, but it's less into the western countries. Now next is complexity. Now this feature say that business is complex. Why it's complex? The first thing is that because it is interrelated with lots of factor and lots of forces. बहुत सारे forces हैं जो मिला के business environment को बनाती हैं. That is one reason why we said it's complex. And the second is because business environment, business has to work into the dynamic condition or dynamic forces which keep to change time to time. So according to these changes the situation, the business also has to change itself. That is the reason we said business is environment is complex process. Now next we will going through with the importance of business environment. Now you can see here the first important of business environment is it enable the firm to identify opportunity and getting the first mover advantage. So here the word used is opportunity. It basically say opportunity basically say through the positive external trend or changes that will help a firm to improve the performance. It means that sometime if a manager has proper awareness about the business environment, or if they can able to or he can able to identify the positive opportunity or positive changes which are going to happen in the future